Do you create content for your blog using AI and are worried about AI detection? Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps to know how to bypass AI detection and create undetectable AI content. Hey folks, Matswaki from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to write AI content that can bypass any AI detectors available. First, it is so easy to create or generate content using AI tools like ChatGPT, and almost everyone is using it to create content as it is quite helpful and saves so much of time and effort. But first, as we generate content using AI, there are AI detection tools available that can easily detect that our content is generated using AI and it can affect SEO ranking and cause plagiarism. So what to do? Without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to write AI content that can bypass AI detectors, and for this we will be using BypassGPT. BypassGPT is the smartest AI bypasser that can ensure your content is not flagged by AI checkers, and it helps maintaining your ranking while providing informative, engaging content for your readers. It can bypass AI detectors like Turnitin, GPT-0, ZeroGPT, Originality.ai, copy leaks and more. See, here is the proof how BypassGPT helps generating content that can bypass any AI detectors, and you must want to know how BypassGPT achieves it. Well, first, it uses advanced ML trained for undetectable AI writing and showcases the humanizing capabilities. Follow 3 simple steps and you will get 100% undetectable AI content with BypassGPT. So first, let's know how BypassGPT works to write undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detection. But for first, let's write AI content using ChatGPT, and for that here we are on official ChatGPT website. From here you can simply create an account or log into your account. Once logged in, simply write some content. Let's write content for how to create a blog post and click on this to generate content. Within seconds it starts generating content, and here we have our AI content ready. Now let's check AI score for this content, and for this we will be using Originality.ai, and for this here we are on Originality.ai official website. From here you can simply create an account or log into your account. Once logged in, simply click detect AI content. Now paste AI content that we have generated using ChatGPT and then click scan. Now it starts scanning, and here we have results: 0% original and 100% AI. Now let's rewrite this content using BypassGPT, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit BypassGPT official website. Now here click on start for free. Here we can create an account, or if you already have one, can simply log into it. Once logged in, click paste text. Click allow, and this will paste content in this text editor. Now from here we can choose modes to humanize content. Select it advanced mode and then click humanize. It starts rewriting content, and within seconds our content is ready, and it will also check for AI detection. See, here we have confirmation. The output content is most likely human written and shows that it can bypass these AI detectors. Let's confirm and check it by ourselves, and for that here we are back on Originality.ai website. Now here removed old content and then pasted content that we have generated using BypassGPT. Now click on scan again. It starts scanning, and boom. See, it now shows 100% original and 0% AI. Simply amazing work from BypassGPT. I will highly recommend you to try out BypassGPT if you are looking to write AI content that can bypass AI detection in 2024. And if you want to, simply find the links in description and pin comment. If you liked the video and got value, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Diploma Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.